On your Thinkware, what you need to do is, on the dashcam itself, there's a Wi-Fi button on the back of the dashcam. If you press the Wi-Fi button on the dashcam, that turns on the Wi-Fi for the dashcam.
Connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware.
If you go into your Wi-Fi settings, you will see that you've got Thinkware on your list. On this one, I've already paired it up, so for the sake of this one, I'll unpair it and then repair the actual camera again. So if you go on to the one that's Thinkware, the password is 1 to 9, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That'll pair it up on there. Now, the application that you need used to be Thinkware Cloud, but they've changed it now, so it's Thinkware Dashcam Link. So if we go onto there, we have the one up here, Dashcam Link. On the bottom of the Dashcam Link, there's the red bar at the bottom that says Dashcam connection is required. If you press that once, it then connects it up. So I've already set the camera so the live view's done, so you see down the bonnet. So just quickly put that on. And there you go, you see down the bonnet. So the end of it, you see the front part of the bonnet at the windscreen, then you see the end of it as well. So that's all captured on the actual image. We go back from there, and then you've got the dashcam settings. So on this one, we're going to enable it for parking mode. So we're going to the record settings. We've got parking mode. We're going to turn that to enabled. So that is on basically on motion detection. So if anyone walks near the vehicle, it will start detecting it. There's also the impact sensitivity in parking mode, what's set at mid, and the motion is set at mid. So that's anybody walking up close proximity, but not too close to the vehicle, to detect them. Impact, if someone runs into the back of the vehicle, or there's, for example, someone keying the vehicle, it will pick that up from the impact sensitivity. Now, we've got the battery protection on as well, and we're going to drop the voltage of the battery protection down to 12.1. That means that when the vehicle's off, the camera will remain recording only on motion detection and impact detection, and it will keep doing this until the battery voltage goes down to 12.1. As soon as it goes beneath that, the camera will shut down as well. There's also wintertime battery protection on there as well. We ain't enabling that because it's a new vehicle, and the battery on there should be nice and strong. So we'll go back from there. Now you've got your camera settings. They're set to medium for both front, and we haven't got the rear camera on this one because it's only a front camera. The memory card settings are set for continuous priority, so it'll keep writing over itself, but it has got the overwrite protection on there for the instant recording, the motion, the instant, and the manual recording. Go back from there. Now to go look at the current footage that you've got on there that's been recorded, you've got the continuous recording and you've got continuous incident. Now the continuous incident is when it's been driving and there's been an incident and you've recorded something, that's where it stores that. The motion detection is when there's been a shock to the vehicle, and sorry, not a shock, someone's walking around the vehicle that would detect it there. You've got the parking incident, that's when someone's bumped the vehicle when you're not being in the vehicle and it's in the parking mode. Your manual recordings, the ones on the back of the camera, there's a red button for record that allows you to manually record it. Now from there, what you do is you put the videos, so you go into continuous, for example, and you want to look at the continuous front. So that'll just show the shutter side of it for the last, last 1 minute. On your That's list. Just the customer. So if you then go from there, you can then save and download that footage. So on that little sidebar there, just click download. That'll download it from the camera to the phone for that segment of the recording. So you'll then go into your download folder list, and that'll do there. So for the sake of this, I'll just cancel it now. So we'll go back from there, and that's basically everything you need to know about how to use the Thinkware Dashcam.